Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put into the limit and a approach to positive infinity. So we will have about the integration from number 1 to a. This one we can write into x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Because this is about the square root, that's why we have 1 over 2. But if we want to on numerator, we need to put the negative sign here. Next, we have the final answer. The integration of s to the power of negative 1 over 2, we will have about s to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1, and we put the bounds from number 1 to a. So this one we have 1 over 2, this one we have 1 over 2. So we put a and number 1 going here. We put a in here and number 1 in here. So when a approach to positive infinity, this one they will go to positive infinity. Everything in here they will go to positive infinity, and combine to this one they will go to positive infinity. So we can say that this one is about divergent, and this is go to positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.